balanced chemical equations. Okay, I think the easiest way to do this is by an example. So let's use the example for magnesium and oxygen. So the reaction between magnesium and oxygen. So I'm going to start by writing down my word equation. So magnesium plus oxygen turns into magnesium oxide. Okay, so I need to work out some formulas now. So oxygen, if I just do this down here, if I've got oxygen, I know looking on the periodic table that it has two hooks on. So this is an element, so it can only be joined to other oxygens. So there we go, so the formula for that must be O2. And from what we've done before, we've already worked out magnesium oxide. So that must be, so I've got magnesium with two hooks on and oxygen with two hooks on. So that must be MgO. Okay, and I've got magnesium there. Right, now the rule is that however many atoms of each type I've got on this side in my reactants, I've got to have the same number of that type of atom on that side. So if I've got one magnesium atom there, I've got one magnesium atom there, so that's okay. I've got two oxygen atoms here, but I've only got one there. So if I'm starting with 2, I've got to end up with 2. Now I can't put a 2 there because I can't fit two oxygen atoms onto a magnesium. So I've actually got to have 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. So that gives me 2 magnesium atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. So that's now okay for the oxygen, but I've got 2 magnesium atoms on this side now, which means I've got to start with 2 magnesium atoms, so I've got to do that. So 2 magnesium atoms plus 1 oxygen molecule turns into 2 molecules of magnesium oxide, and that is a balanced chemical equation.